Today we are going to prepare tinga and we'll be tasting the best tostadas ever. They are absolutely finger-licking good. Very simple and easy to make recipe. Hi guys, welcome back to Roxy's Kitchen. Today we will be preparing some delicious tinga. And that is a Mexican recipe with shredded chicken and chipotle sauce, and you eat them in a tortilla shell. Delicious. All right, for our ingredients, we're gonna need 4 chicken breasts, cilantro, 2 garlic cloves, onion, some lettuce, lemons, a can of pinto beans, a can of chipotle peppers, crumbling cheese, and obviously your hard shell tortillas. Okay? Obviously your hard shell tortillas. Okay? First, we're gonna put our chicken breast into a pot with water, and just enough water to cover the chicken. And we're gonna set our stove on medium high. Then we're going to add some cilantro, some onion, and 2 cloves of garlic, and we're going to cover it. We'll keep an eye on it. It should take approximately 20 to 25 minutes for it to be tender. We'll look at it shortly. All right guys, it's been about 10 minutes and our chicken is boiling. Let's set that stove on low, about 3.5. And at this point, you want to go ahead and add your salt. This is the way my mother taught me to do the salt. Just add as much salt as you would like, and then cover it back up and let it cook for another 10 minutes. Let's prepare our cheese while the chicken is cooking. Get that ready. And what I'm gonna do is place it in the plate, and then just take a fork, work some muscle in there. All right, and once you are done, then it should look like this. I think we got it. Let's check our chicken. All right, looks like it's about ready. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off, and I'm going to take the chicken out and put it on a plate to let it cool. Just like that. Okay? I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit to make sure it cools down. Notice we had our chicken broth left right here. What we're gonna do is save it so that we can make our chipotle sauce with the chicken broth. It's gonna be delicious. What we're gonna do now is take our lettuce and shred it. I like to do my garnishings while I'm waiting for another step. That way I don't get behind. And once we're done, we are going to go ahead and place our lettuce in a bowl. Now that we rinsed our lettuce, we're gonna let it sit in water. And meanwhile, I'm gonna go ahead and take our onion and we're gonna cut it in onion rings. It's gonna be almost 2 onions. Doesn't have to be perfect. These are really good size rings for our tinga. What I'm gonna do is take my onion and place it in a plate. So we're gonna go ahead and start pulling our chicken apart, and obviously make sure you don't burn yourself. Make sure these are cooled down enough. These are still kind of warm. You can actually take 2 forks and pull them apart like so, but I like to use my hands. It's just more efficient for me. Once our chicken is finely shredded or pulled apart, we can go ahead and start preparing our salsa, chipotle salsa. You will need 2 medium Roma tomatoes for that, and I just cut them in halves. Put them in a blender. And then I'm going to take my chipotle peppers and we are going to throw those in there. Now, if you don't like it spicy, you might want to leave a few peppers out. That's your call. What you want to do then is you want to add, coming back to the chicken broth, you want to add the chicken broth in here. And it's okay if you pick up some of the dissolved onion. You want to make sure you do get your garlic cloves in there. Okay? That's about enough, okay? At this point, we're gonna go ahead and blend together. I don't add my salt in here. I wait until I fry it. So you wanna go ahead and blend it. What we wanna do now is take a skillet and set it on medium high. And what I'm going to do is add 3/4 cup of oil. It's vegetable oil. You can use canola oil, any type of stir fry oil you want to use. So now we're gonna go ahead and add our onions to the oil and fry them a little bit. And I'm gonna let it cook thoroughly before I add the salsa in here. As you can see, my onion is about ready. We're starting to have some brown color in there. Nice, beautiful color. So let's go ahead and add our salsa. At this point, what I'm going to do is add salt to our salsa, and again, salt to taste. And stir it up a little bit. Oh God, I can already smell it. It's gonna be spicy and delicious. Now remember, if you don't want it very spicy, you can always take some of those chipotles out before you blend your salsa, okay? What I'm gonna do now is cover it up, set it on low, about 4, and then I'm gonna leave it to simmer for about 5 to 8 minutes. At that point, I will come back and add the chicken in there. All right, next let's go ahead and set another pan with oil ready, and what we're gonna do is fry some beans in here so that you can have your tinga with beans if you would like. I personally love it. So let's go ahead and take our beans, put them in our blender. Give that a little stir. That's done. Now we can add these to our pan. While our beans are ready, we're gonna go ahead and add our chicken, our shredded chicken, into our tinga sauce. As you can see, it's been simmering for a little bit already, and you can see it's starting to thicken up a little bit. Oh God, that smells just delicious. All right, so I'm gonna turn the beans down a little bit and go ahead and add my chicken in here slowly so we don't make a big mess. Okay, what you want to do is add a little bit and then let it soak up a little bit. Want to make sure that chipotle sauce covers up all your chicken. Make sure that chicken soaks it up, all those nice flavors. By the way, I made a lot because I love tinga, and when we eat tinga, we like to eat it 2 times. It's that good. It's finger licking good. At this point, we're gonna go ahead and cover it up again and let it simmer for another 5 minutes or so. All right, it's been about 5 minutes, and I'm gonna go ahead and I can't resist anymore. I can't. I must try it. My mouth is watering. I'm gonna try to make sure I have enough salt in there, because if I don't, this is a good point to add salt and let it, you know, simmer for another 5 minutes. But if you got enough salt, it'll be good. That is delicious. Mine is good with salt. And we're also gonna add some cilantro leaves in there. And it should be about ready. I'll go ahead and turn it off. All right, so let's go ahead and prepare our tostadas, tinga tostadas. So we're first gonna take a tortilla shell, and we are going to add some refried beans. We're gonna spread it finely, like so. Next, we are going to add our tinga. Let me hear y'all say it, tinga. All right, God, my mouth is watering, y'all. Look at this yummy onion. You can serve yourself as much tinga as you want in there. Okay, next I'm going to add some cheese. Let me grab a plate so that I don't make a mess. Let's go ahead and finish adding our cheese. And a little bit of lettuce. Then we're gonna squirt some lime juice in there. Let's give this a bite. I can't resist, y'all. I have to take another bite. This is delicious. This is delicious. I'm in heaven. Guys, I can't seem to have enough, so let's eat up. Wow.
This is delicious. You have got to try this. Very easy to make, full of flavor, authentic Mexican. You can enjoy it with a Mexican jarrito. This is mandarin flavor. It's absolutely delicious. All right, so guys, if you like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit the bell for alerts on new videos. Thank you for watching.